In today's video, I'm going to teach you Instagram does not allow viewing specific users who shared your reel, as this feature prioritizes privacy and is unavailable in standard analytics for all account types. Let's get clear on what you can and can't see. Instagram does not reveal the identities of people who share your reel. That information is private across all account types. However, if you use a professional account, either a business or creator profile, you can see the total number of shares a reel received through Insights. That total is helpful for understanding reach and engagement, even though it doesn't list individual sharers. If you're currently on a personal account and want access to the shares count, you'll need to switch to a professional account. Open your profile, tap the three lines in the top corner, choose Settings and Activity, then go to Account Type and Tools and tap Switch to Professional Account. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish setup. This change unlocks Insights, which is where you'll find the shares metric. It won't reveal who shared your reel, but it will show how many times it was shared. Now, to see shares for a specific reel, go to your profile and open the Reels tab. Select the reel you're curious about. Tap View Insights. If you don't see that option directly, tap the three dots and choose View Insights from there. On the Insights screen, scroll through the metrics. Alongside plays, likes, saves, and reach, you'll see shares. That number reflects how many times viewers have shared your reel, such as to their stories or in direct messages. It's a great indicator of how compelling your content is, even without individual names. If you want an overview of performance across multiple reels, head back to your profile, tap the three lines, and open the professional dashboard. Choose content you shared, then select reels. This area provides a broader look at metrics, allowing you to compare posts and spot trends over time. Use it to identify which topics, hooks, or formats tend to get shared more, and refine your strategy accordingly. A quick reminder, Instagram's interface can evolve, so labels may shift slightly, but the path remains the same. Use a professional account to access Insights, then look for the shares metric. And again, no matter your account type, Instagram doesn't offer a way to see exactly who shared your reel. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.